Does the hustle and bustle of daily life leave you feeling stressed and overwhelmed? If so, the practice of meditation might just be the antidote you need. Welcome to a journey of self-discovery and tranquility. Ponder this: what is meditation? It's an ancient practice where an individual uses a technique to focus their mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to achieve mental clarity and emotional stability. It's like going to the gym, but for your mind. Now, why should you meditate? Well, the benefits are plentiful. First, it's an effective way to reduce stress and anxiety. By lowering cortisol levels associated with stress, meditation helps you manage negative emotions, improving your mood and self-esteem. Second, meditation can boost your cognitive abilities. It increases the grey matter in your brain, which in turn enhances your learning, cognition, and memory. It's like giving your brain a much-needed tune-up. Third, it bolsters your immune system. A stronger immune system means a healthier you, capable of fending off infections and diseases. It can also lower your blood pressure, heart rate, and cholesterol, while improving the quality of your sleep and your energy levels. So how do you meditate? It's simpler than you might think. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit with your back straight and your eyes closed or slightly open. Begin by taking a few deep breaths. Relax your shoulders, neck, and face. Acknowledge how your body feels and release any tension you may be holding. Choose your focal point. This could be your breath, a word, or a sound. Keep your attention on this point. If your mind wanders, don't fret. Simply bring your attention back to your focal point. You can start with just 5 minutes and increase your time as you become more comfortable with the practice. When you're done, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to appreciate the calm and tranquility. And there you have it. You've just taken the first steps on your meditation journey. Remember, you can practice meditation anytime and anywhere. The more you practice, the more benefits you'll reap. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wellness content. Take care of yourself and remember, a calm mind is a healthy mind. Happy meditating!